Wow, guys, check this out. We just got here. We haven't even gotten into the creek yet. We're on the path that we take to get there, and look at that. There's a freaking sweet marble right here. It's yellow and white. That's so cool. Awesome. That's going to set our day off to be good. Let's keep looking for anything else.
Hey guys, it's Mac and welcome back to another video. We're here in the creek again. We're looking for petrified wood, artifacts, old bottles, and anything else that really we find cool. Let's start looking.
There's something, guys. Some sort of metal. Alright guys, we just came down into a part of the creek we haven't checked yet. And wow, look at this. It's an old lock. It has some writing on there. Whoa. Hopefully we can get this top part cleaned up. That's amazing. That's one of the coolest things I think we've found. Holy cow. We're gonna keep looking right here. As you can tell, there's lots of bricks and stuff sticking out of the wall, and also little bits of old glass. There's some cobalt glass. Bottom of some sort of bottle. Hopefully we can find some other cool stuff. Here's a cool looking piece of petrified wood, guys. That's a good size, too. Oh, there we go. That's another piece. Here we go, guys. Looks like a Lamprey's bottle stopper right here. It looks really nice, though. Some sort of decorative piece of metal. Check that out. That's an awesome piece of petrified wood. With a really neat shape, too. It almost looks like a mountain. I saw another piece right over here on the ground, too. Let's check that one out. Oh, wow, and look at that right beside it. That's a little tiny piece, but it's got some cool crystals on it. There we go. That one's got some neat color, guys. Let's get it rinsed off and see what it looks like. There we go. It's not huge, but I'll sure take it. It's definitely pretty. There we go, right here in the water stream. There's another piece of petrified wood. Alright guys, y'all are gonna love this one. Check that out. Look at that shimmer, guys. Wow. Oh my goodness. Let's get it rinsed off. Oh, wow. That's going to be a beautiful one once we get it toothbrushed and cleaned up. There's another pink tile. That's crazy. We find those all over the place. Huh. It was a really big rain the other day, so everything should be washed out and brand new. That's weird. That is super weird. Is that just mud? Yeah, okay, that's just mud. I thought that was the actual wood. There we go. That's pretty good. It has some crystals on it, so that'll probably be really pretty once we get it cleaned. Okay, let's see if I can get this out. Is it going?
Yep.
Alright.
Alright, I got a pretty cool looking brick right here. I've been working to get it out. It's like a small brick. It's kind of cool. Too bad it's dinged up, but I mean, that's still a really cool find. Alright guys, I got a cool piece of petrified wood right here. It's about this big. Let's grab it and see what it looks like. It's actually buried in the sand better than I thought. Ooh, that's neat. Oh wow, here, let me get it rinsed off a little bit better. It's got some pretty cool age lines on it. Here, come check this out. Wow guys, we got a really nice one right here. Check this out. It's got some beautiful crystals on the front. Look at those. Oh wow. Ah, it's actually kind of heavy. Ooh. Let's see. It's got some matrix here stuck onto the side. But look at these age rings. Those are beautiful. Those have some agatized crystals. Got the bottom of a straight side Coke. That's super cool. Alright guys, I think I see a big piece of petrified wood, but I'm not actually sure if it's petrified or not. Let's check it out. Nope, it's just wood.
Action.
I see some rocks here that might be petrified wood. Let's check them out. And neither of them are. Wow guys, you're gonna love this one. Look at the beautiful color on it. Oh, it's almost pink right there. That is gorgeous. Here we go guys, this one's super cool. Check out that knot right there in the wood. Here's a small piece of petrified wood that looks pretty cool. Let's see what the other side looks like. Oh man. Check that out guys. There's some beautiful crystals in there. It's amazing. Woohoo! Look at this, guys. Another piece of petrified wood. Oh, wow. That's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. That's pretty cool. Let's rinse it off. Beautiful. What a great size. It's got a crystal band that goes down the side as well. And some right there. That's pretty cool.
Got a door.
Let's go. Here we go, guys. Looks like we got a really freaking cool piece of petrified wood.
Oh my gosh! Look at that! Let's get it up here on the bank.
Whoa, guys. This is amazing. Look at that.
That is just beautiful. Whew, it's pretty heavy too.
Hey guys, it's Mac and we're here in the creek. I see a huge piece of petrified wood right here, so we're going to go ahead and pull it. Let's see what it looks like. Buried by all this concrete. Wow, that is a long piece. It's got a little bit of sediment on it, but that'll clean up really beautifully. that out, guys. That's huge. It actually does have some crystals here on the top, too. Not too many, but looks like there's some running down the side. Awesome. Looks like we might have stumbled upon another bottle dump right here. Let's see, this might be a Noxema. Screw top, so it might not be super duper old, but there it is. I'm not positive if that is a Noxema or not. That's what it has on the bottom. Beautiful cobalt color, though. There's another whole bottle right here. Kind of looks like a med. That one actually looks like it might be older. Let's see what else is right here. Hey guys, well we came down here to another new spot. I already see a bottle in the wall, so I'm going to pull it out and let's see what it is. It kind of looks like it just might be a food preserve jar, but hopefully it has embossing on the other side. Oh my gosh, it's not even a bottle, it's actually just a metal pipe. That's still super cool though. I really thought that was a bottle. Look at this, guys. Aww. Alright guys, here we go. Looks like we might have a knee-high soda right here. Ooh, I hope it's whole. Oh man. There it is, knee-high beverages. Sadly that's broken, but that's still super cool. Lets me know we're in a good area. Let's see. It says something on there. Sarli America Old Spice. American Old Spice Incorporated. Shuttin'. Check this out, guys. This is so cool. We were walking back to the car and John picked this up off the ground. It's a penny from 1910. What a great find.